welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about crypto.com Crocoin, take a look at the overall crypto market as a whole, and just kind of see where we could be headed here in the short term. So without further ado, we're at 11,300 subscribers. When we reached 25,000 subscribers, we were giving away a loaded lion NFT. So subscribe right now. Let's hop into this video. So guys, we are coming down. We are about to test the $25,000 price level on Bitcoin. We're seeing the Bitcoin dominance level come up. We're at 48.67%. We're up about, I would say, about 0.2% since yesterday. When you're excluding stable coins, we are sitting at 50.67%, about to hit 51% Bitcoin dominance level. Exactly what I've been talking about, guys. I expect this Bitcoin dominance level to really garner a lot of liquidity that is coming out of the market. I expect the altcoins to bleed. I expect that liquidity to move into Bitcoin. I expect that to happen as we get closer and closer to this halvening, guys. Over on the Bitcoin chart, we are spilling over right now. We are testing this level, very, very key level of $25,430, about there, about $25,309 to be more exact. But I do expect us to chop around in this channel. And I would not be surprised at all if we have a capitulation. But I do expect a little bit more sideways movement. We are about halfway, about a third of the way through September. September is usually a bearish month. I do expect more downside. And maybe this month is when we will get this capitulation to the downside. But to be quite frank, a lot of people are leaning into this idea that September is going to be brutally bearish. It already has been bearish, but I kind of lean towards the side when everybody is thinking one thing. It's usually not what happens. And I mean, we have had a bearish September so far, but I do expect a little bit more of a sideways chop before we have a capitulation down to, say, testing 21,600. But until we get to that point, I expect sideways chop, guys. So be patient. Be patient. Don't get shaken out of the market through boredom. That's the worst way to be shaken out of the market. And don't be shaken out when we capitulate down, because if we do capitulate down, there's probably a good chance that we get bought right back up relatively quickly as we get closer and closer to this halvening. Over on Crocoin, I talked about this, the probability of us bouncing right back down after we bounced off the bottom, and as exactly as I predicted, we bounced all the way down here to about 0.0487 cents. It was bought up and retraced back to about 0.0510 cents. Guys, I expect this price action to be playing out just how it is right now, just grinding on the bottom. Probably at some point capitulate down a little bit lower when Bitcoin decides to make its move, whether it's to the downside or the upside. But I do expect a more of a bearish move on Crocoin. You just need to be patient, guys. That's why right now, what I'm doing is I am accumulating a Bitcoin. I'm accumulating Ethereum. Ethereum, I mean, if I wanted to be extremely precise, I probably would only be really accumulating Bitcoin right now. But I am open to buy Ethereum because, well, Ethereum does perform like an altcoin, kind of, but it's much more stable than, say, a $10 million market cap altcoin. But I am accumulating Ethereum and Bitcoin because, to be quite frank, Ethereum might not collapse nearly as hard as some of these other coins. And I don't want to miss out on Ethereum. You know, over on my Twitter, you can follow me at 333 Blacksea. I made a tweet the other day saying, you know, Ethereum is one of the only coins and assets that I feel true FOMO for. I really worry about missing out on that because I do think that it's here to stay, and it probably will make some very, very significant moves in this upcoming bull market. But guys, right now is not the time to be buying altcoins, in my opinion. I'm waiting until we get a little bit closer to this Bitcoin halvening before I start to decide to make some positions and enter some positions. I have dry powder on the side ready to enter the altcoin positions, but like I said right now, all I'm doing is dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now that doesn't mean I'm not bullish on Crocoin, because I'm extremely bullish on Crocoin. You can follow me at 333 Blacksea on Twitter. I just made this tweet. Crow is a sleeping giant, because it is. It literally is a sleeping giant, guys. What's going to happen in 16 months, 12 months or so when the bull market is back and roaring, hypothetically? What's going to happen when we are in a bull market and we're getting closer to this bull market? what's going to happen? Everyone's going to be paying attention to the exchanges, guys. Everyone's going to be paying attention to how do I buy Bitcoin? Where do I buy Bitcoin? And you know what they're going to search in the Google search bar? They're going to search crypto. You know what the first thing that's going to come up? Crypto.com, because that domain name is so good, it's going to be the first thing all these people click on. You know what that makes me think? I think Crow's a sleeping giant, guys, because that may be the first impression people will get on crypto when they search crypto. Crypto.com will come up. It's a sleeping giant. Go over to my Twitter, like this tweet, retweet it, get the word out, because Crow is a sleeping giant, guys. But guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Also consider becoming a member on the channel. All you gotta do is go below this video or to our homepage, click the join button. You get access to our private Discord. We have NFT alpha, trade signals, more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I, as well as when we reach 100 members on the channel, we are giving away $500 worth of Bitcoin to one member each and every month leading to the Bitcoin halving, guys. Lots of opportunities to win, lots of giveaways here on our YouTube channel and on our Twitters. Go follow us there. That's all I got for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.